Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be solving three variable systems using matrices. The learning target is I can solve a three variable system of equations using matrices on my calculator. Let's take a look at the first question. Which value is not contained in the solution of the system shown below? A plus 5b minus c is equal to negative 20, 4a minus 5b plus 4c is equal to 19, negative a minus 5b minus 5c is equal to 2. Now, instead of solving for each variable algebraically, we can do this all on our graphing calculator. So let's take out our graphing calculator and I will take you through the steps. So the first thing we're going to do is hit second x to the negative 1 on our calculator. Notice above it says matrix. Then I'm going to go over to the right where it says math, and I'm going to scroll up to where it says B here and hit enter. Then I'm going to hit alpha zoom, and I'm going to put in how many rows and how many columns we have. So let's take a look at our example again. Notice we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to select that. Let me get back there. So I'm going to move up to where it says 3 rows, hit enter, and then I'm going to go over to 4 columns, hit enter, and I'm going to scroll down where it says OK. And there you go. I have all zeros right now because we're going to input our information in, but I have 3 rows and 4 columns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the numbers in. So I'm going to put the coefficient of A, which is 1, 1, 5, negative 1, and then what it's equal to, negative 20, into my matrix. So 1, 5, negative 1, and then negative 20. And then I'm going to do the next row. Scroll over. And notice it's 4, negative 5, 4, 19. So 4, negative 5. Scroll to the right every time. 4, 19. And then our last row, negative 1, negative 5, negative 5, 2. Negative 1, negative 5, negative 5, 2. And always just double check that you have the correct information in, which I believe I do. And then we're going to hit enter. So notice when I inputted the 3 variable system, the first column was all the A's, the 1, 4, negative 1. So here in my answer, where it has a 1 in the first column, the answer for A is negative 2. My second column was all the B's, the 5, negative 5, negative 5. So here where the 1 is, the B value is negative 3. And then in the third column, I had negative 1, 4, negative 5 for my C's. That means here, C value is 3. And remember, it goes in alphabetical order. So again, my A is negative 2, my B is negative 3, and my C is 3. Let's write that down. So A was negative 2, B was negative 3, C was 3. So the question is asking which value is not contained in the solution of the system shown below. So negative 2 is, negative 3 is, and 3 is. Therefore, 2 is not the solution. Once again, we're using matrices to solve for 3 variable systems, which is a nice, easy way for us to solve for A, B, and C and get our answer.